Introducing the all-new ASUS Zenbook S16, where ultra-slim design meets next-gen AI performance. Let's explore why this laptop is built to impress creators, power users, and professionals alike. Design and build: Ceraluminum Elegance. At just 0.43 inches thin and weighing only 3.31 pounds, the Zenbook S16 is built from Ceraluminum, a premium, ultralight material that feels as good as it looks. With its sleek white finish, this laptop is a true statement piece. Display: stunning OLED brilliance. Experience the brilliance of a 16-inch 3K OLED Lumina touchscreen with a resolution of 2880 by 1800. Every pixel bursts with life, perfect for content creation, binge watching, or photo editing. Performance: Ryzen AI power. Inside, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9 365 processor with 10 cores, 20 threads, and speeds up to 5.0 GHz. Add 24 GB of DDR5 RAM and the AMD Radeon 880M graphics, and you've got a machine ready for AI workloads, video rendering, and high-speed multitasking. Storage: speed meets space. Store more and load faster with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Lightning-fast performance for apps, games, and large project files. Backlit keyboard: comfort in every keystroke. Typing is a joy with the Zenbook S16's backlit keyboard. Whether you're working in the dark or just want that extra visual flair, this keyboard provides comfort, precision, and a professional feel. Connectivity and audio: modern essentials. Stay connected with HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2, and 2 USB-C 4 ports. Enjoy rich, immersive audio from its 6 built-in speakers. And with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth, you're always connected at the highest speeds. Who is it for? Whether you're a video editor, business leader, or student, the Zenbook S16 delivers the performance, portability, and polish you need to stay ahead. This was your deep dive into the ASUS Zenbook S16, beautiful, powerful, and made for the modern world. Like what you saw? Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tech videos.